Today I've bought a present for myself. I've been dreaming about it for many years. Do you want to know what it is? Oh yeah, I know. I will show you. It's a lava lamp. Wow. Oh, someone's at the door. Let's go and check. Let's run there.
Oh, is it lava lamp? It looks expensive. There's no one here? No. I'm gonna take it.
Where is our lava lamp? Where is it? No. Our lava lamp. But we can use science to create our own lava lamp. Let's get started. It's very easy to make, isn't it? Do you like it? Oh. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us likes. Bye bye.